Good morning, students. Although we have completed the chapter first in video part 3, still we have a question in our textbook, that is map skill. Today we will discuss about that. You can see on this screen, this is map skill question based on this map. First part is the island group of India lying in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. See, you can see over here Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea, and this is Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal. So answer number 1, I have marked here 1, and also this is also 1. Okay. Now next one, the countries constituting Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent में कौन सी countries आती हैं? तो you can see this mark. There is Afghanistan, now Pakistan, this India also, and then Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and this is Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka. So this symbol means second question. Okay, the countries constituting Indian subcontinent. All these countries which are marked as this symbol are included in Indian subcontinent. Now third, the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. See, this is Tropic of Cancer. You can see this, the straight line. Now Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, West Bengal. Now this is also Tropic of Cancer passes through, but this is not in our country, it is Bangladesh. And then in our country it is Mizoram. So the states are 1, Gujarat, 2, Madhya Pradesh, 3, Chhattisgarh, 4, Jharkhand, 5, West Bengal, and sixth one is Mizoram. Now next question, the northmost latitude in degrees. So northmost latitude is here. This is 37 degrees 6 minutes latitude. This is northmost. And then next question is the southmost latitude. It is here, 8 degree 4 minute. Okay. Now eastern and the westernmost longitude, you can see this one, 68 degree 7 minutes, and this is 97 degree 25 here. Now seventh one, the place situated on the 3 seas. 3 seas means this is Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, and it is Indian Ocean. तो 3 seas के तरफ कौन सी place ऐसी है जिसमें तीनों seas दिखाई देते हैं? तो this is the southern most tip, and it is called as Cape Comorin in British India time, and now it is called as Kanyakumari. We will discuss about this place later. First we will complete this question. Now the strait separating Sri Lanka from India, this is the strait, Pak Strait, which is separating Sri Lanka from India. Now the Union Territories of India. When we were discussing in the chapter, we have discussed that now after dissolving the Article 370, now there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Earlier these were 7. Then by adding Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, see, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, it became 9. Then again Dadra Nagar Haveli, Andaman and Diu, all they combined and treated as one territory. Now After combining these four and making these 2 union territories, now we have 8 union territories. See, Jammu and Kashmir 1, Ladakh 2, this is Chandigarh 3, Delhi 4, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu 5, then Puducherry 6, Lakshadweep 7 and Andaman and Nicobar 8. Now these 8 are union territories. You can see this in map. Now earlier including Telangana we had 29 states, but by dissolving 370 this Jammu and Kashmir is now union territory. So 28 states are there and 8 union territories. You can now understand by this map also कि कितने आपके कंट्री में स्टेट्स हैं और कितनी आपके यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं. Now moving to the topic Kanyakumari. You can see this map and the southern part of our country, it is southern tip and it is Kanyakumari, and earlier it is known as Cape Comorin, and this is the western coast and this is eastern coast. From Kutch to Khambat, Bay of Khambat, then it is called as Konkan coast. Up to Karnataka, it is called as Konkan coast. Now below Karnataka from Kerala, it is called Malabar coast. Then eastern side, it is called Northern Sarkar till this Godavari, Krishna and Godavari rivers. Now after that Coromandel coast, eastern southeastern side, this is called Coromandel coast. So we can know about these places. Cape Comorin, from Kutch to Cape Comorin, it is called Western Ghat. From Cape Comorin to mouth of Ganges, it is called Eastern Ghat. So you can understand the Kanyakumari, it is the southernmost tip of Indian Peninsula. Now you can see this map. Now tell me which states are sharing their boundary with Pakistan, and in the west, and this is now in the east, which state is sharing its boundary with Nepal, then Bhutan and Bangladesh. Write it in your copy and also in comment section. Now it is India's 2020 map after 31st October 2019. Now we have 28 states and 8 union territories. You can see in this map as well. So keep in mind this thing, कि हमारे देश में अब कितने स्टेट्स और कितनी यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं. आप अपनी बुक में भी सही कर लीजिए और इसको हमेशा लर्न करिए. एक जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन है मैप के बारे में. आप इस मैप को आप उसमें डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं और फिर इसका प्रिंट आउट लेकर के आप अपनी कॉपी में पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. और अभी आपको हो सकता है मार्केट में ये इजीली अवेलेबल ना भी हो, तो आप इस तरह से कर सकते हैं और अपनी कॉपी में भी इसको पेस्ट करके और इसके बारे में सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन लिख सकते हैं. आप अपना काम ये ऐसे करेंगे. उम्मीद है आप इसको सही तरीके से पूरा करेंगे. थैंक यू.